In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for scheduling. Monday.com is a fantastic platform for managing schedules, tasks, and projects, whether you're an individual or part of a team. Whether you're new to Monday.com or simply want to brush up on your skills, this tutorial will guide you through setting up your first schedule using one of Monday.com's templates. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen of your main workspace, the command center where the magic happens. Let's dive into setting up a new schedule. Your first task here is to create a new board, the dedicated space for your scheduling activities. Look for the plus icon, which you'll typically find at the bottom or top right of your interface, depending on updates or your personal settings. Clicking on this icon reveals several options, but what we need is to create a new board, so go ahead and hover your mouse over the option labeled Board. At this point, Monday.com gives you two choices. You can either start from scratch or use their comprehensive template library. For our focus on scheduling, I recommend using a template. Templates save time and provide a head start with predefined columns and structures. Click on the option that says Start with a Template. This is a great benefit for users who are new to the platform, as well as for those looking to explore new workflows. Now it's time to choose the right template for your needs. Monday.com has categorized its templates to make navigation simpler, allowing you to quickly find what you're looking for. Since we're looking to set up a schedule, you can type Schedule into the search bar or browse through the categories until you find the scheduling options. You'll be presented with several templates, each designed to meet different scheduling needs. For our purposes today, let's work with the Daily Work Schedule template. This particular template is versatile and can be adapted for various scenarios, whether it's project management, tracking daily tasks, or organizing a team's workload. Click on the Daily Work Schedule to make your selection. After this, you'll see a preview and details about what's included in the template. Once you're ready, click on Use Template. This action will create a new board in your workspace based on the Daily Work Schedule template. And just like that, you've successfully set up a new schedule on Monday.com. This new board is ready to be customized to suit your or your team's specific needs. Feel free to rename columns, add new ones, or tweak settings to tailor the schedule to your preference. You can also explore different viewing options, like Calendar, Kanban, or Gantt chart, to gain new perspectives on your schedule, making it easier to manage tasks over time. Here are a couple of final tips to maximize your new schedule. Review the template's default columns and settings. Sometimes small tweaks can significantly enhance efficiency. Also, take advantage of automations. Set rules that automate repetitive tasks, like moving a task to Done when a deadline is met. Communication is crucial, so use the update section and tagging feature to keep everyone involved informed and engaged with tasks and projects. Congratulations, you're all set. You can now start adding tasks, assigning team members, setting deadlines, and much more. Remember, the beauty of Monday.com lies in its flexibility and adaptability to different workflows and needs. Don't hesitate to experiment with different features to find what works best for you and your team. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. For more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Monday.com, be sure to stay tuned.